everyone, welcome back to the vlog. I'm just popping by for the quickest video ever. I just wanted to announce the winners for the Knitting and Stitching Show tickets. The winner was picked at random. I did this amazing program that you put the YouTube video link in, and it takes all the comments and gives you the 5 random chosen winners. So yes, it's completely by random, and I'm really happy to announce that the winners are Stephanie Halstead. Yay! Well done, Stephanie. Second winner is Anya Zizza. Yay! Well done, Anya. Next up is Sarah Guthrie. Yay! Well done, Sarah. Then Michaela Black. Yay! Well done, Michaela. And last but by no means least, Eleanor Thompson. Yay! Well done, Eleanor. So massive congratulations to all 5 of you. I hope you have someone nice to bring to the Knitting and Stitching Show. Please send me an email to gabberdashery@gmail.com. My old email just stopped working. Loads of emails didn't come in. In fact, that's the point. If you ever sent me an email within kind of April last year and it didn't get a reply, try and send it again to gabberdashery@gmail.com, because I didn't get loads of emails. It's really upsetting. But anyway, well done. I can't wait to see you there. We are going to be doing a meetup, Megan and I, on the Thursday, and we're going to have the VIP lounge, and I think at the moment it's going to be 2 o'clock, but I will keep you posted and let you know. So yeah, winners, send me an email, gabberdashery@gmail.com, give me your address, and the Knitting and Stitching Show will send off your tickets as soon as possible. So yay, well done! I'm really happy to do a giveaway, and thank you to the Knitting and Stitching Show for letting me do one. So that's it for me. I will be back in a couple of days with a fabric haul, but in the meantime, congratulations winners. We'll see you soon. Take care.